Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Git files. It can be either from GitHub or GitLab or from any other Git platforms. So there are two ways by which you can download a Git file. We will see both of them one by one. But for both the methods, you should have permission or access to that repository, or it should be public. So as the current repository we are looking at is a public repository and everyone has an access to this repository. So the first method is a layman's method where you can download a zip file of the directory from this code and just go to this download zip. So once you click on this download zip, you just have to select a place where you have to download the zip file of this current directory. So I've selected this directory, and once I say save, this whole code, the whole directory will be downloaded to that location and you can access it using your file manager. However, in the second method, you need to have a HTTPS link of the Git repository and a Git bash or Git install unit system in your system if you are using Linux. So the HTTPS link is this one, that is https://github.com 19 and e/blink.git. So once you copy this link, then you should go to the directory where you have to download the Git repository and just right click. If you're So first we'll go to the directory where we have to download our Git repository, and then you have to type a command, that is git clone, and then you have to paste the link which you have copied from here, and you just have to paste it here in the git bash. And for the Linux, you just have to run this whole command in the directory where you have to download the Git repository. For Linux, Git is directly available in the command line, that is in terminal, so it will be easier in the Linux. So after you give this command, that is git clone, and the link of the Git repository and press enter, you will see that cloning into a blink, that is the whole repository will be cloned into this blink directory, so that you will see another folder created as blink folder and you will be able to access all the files in that repository. So this is how you can download the Git files in your local machine using a download zip method or using a git bash method. So thanks for watching and please subscribe to this channel.